Today is 20th June. This is your daily dose of startup funding stories. Let's find out who got funded today and what's happening on the entrepreneurship street. Let's dive in. POP has raised $2.4 million in seed funding round led by India Quotient and a few prominent angel investors. Founded in May 2023 by Bhargav Erangi, POP intends to create a network of e-commerce users which constitutes Gen Z and late millennials on the back of POP coins. These POP coins can be used to buy a wide range of products from all major direct-to-consumer (D2C) brands in categories such as beauty, personal care, electronics, fashion, and home goods within the app. GoZero has raised $1.5 million in its follow-on pre-series of funding round from DSG Consumer Partners, Sama, and V3 Ventures, among others. The round also saw participation from notable angel investors such as Arjun Purkayastha. Founded by Kiran Shah, GoZero has a diversified product portfolio featuring low-calorie, high-protein, and vegan ice creams. Dashtun is in talks to raise a new round from new and existing investors, sources aware of the development told Entracker. This will be the second funding round for the San Francisco and London-based startup which has offices in Bengaluru. Founded in December 2022 by Sanidhya Narayan, Lalit Gudipti, and Soumyadeep Mukherjee, Dashtun uses generative AI to turn storytellers into comics artists. Wrong has raised $15 million from Aditya Birla Group-owned TMRW House of Brands. Founded in 2014 by brother-sister duo Anjana and Vikram Reddy, Wrong is a notable brand in the casual wear space. It offers a diverse range of casual wear, footwear, and accessories. The brand is backed by Indian cricketer Virat Kohli. Supermoney has raised $3.4 million in its series a round from Capital to Be and Capria Ventures. Founded in 2018 by Nikhil Banerjee, Supermoney is a digital platform that provides working capital solutions to businesses by offering customized payment and finance solutions designed specifically for their supply chain. The Pant project has raised $4.25 million in a series a round led by Soren Investments, a VC fund. The round also saw participation from marquee investors MJ Ventures, Huddle, Dexter Ventures, Indian Silicon Valley, as well as seasoned angels like Arjun Vaidya, Avni Biani, Nikhil Bhandarkar, and Vijay Taparia. Founded in 2020 by Dhruv Toshniwal and Udit Toshniwal, the Pant Project is a digitally native brand which provides custom-made pants for all Indian body sizes. Avium Housing Finance has raised $5 million debt funding from Insuresilience Investment Fund, the startup's regulatory filings revealed. Founded in 2016 by Kajal Ilmi, Avium provides housing loans to low-income households across the country. The startup offers housing loans to individuals for home improvements, renovation, and sanitation. Balwan Krishi has bagged around $4.8 million as a part of its series of funding exercise from JM Financial Private Equity. Founded by Rohit Bajaj and Shubham Bajaj in 2016, Balwan Krishi offers technologies that enable farmers to boost production and improve farmers' lives. iFinance has raised $30 million in debt funding from FMO, the Dutch Entrepreneurial Development Bank. Founded in 2014 by Sanjay Sharma and Vikram Jetli, iFinance provides financial services to micro and small businesses and has more than 398 branches operational in 22 states across India, which majorly deals in manufacturing, trading, and service groups.